What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be presenting to you another amazing React library, and so it's called React, but I definitely think you can install it as well on other projects, npm projects. So this is a simple library which is going to allow you to play audio on your website. So I just discovered it recently. I don't really know how much customization it offers, but basically it's going to allow you to place this interface onto your website and you're going to be able to play audio. So right now this is it. You can find it at audioplayer.madza.dev. And so with these little lines of code after installation, with these few lines of code, you are able to integrate this player which is going to play different tracks. So if you're building a music player or an mp3 project, then you are definitely going to make use of this player. So as you can see, you just have to pass the tracks to it. You're going to pass the link to the mp3 file, and you're going to pass the title, then maybe the tags as well. So, and they are going to show up here. This is the title, and that's it. So with this player, it has the features, the volume, and you can play. So let's go ahead and play something. As you can see here, it's playing already, and you can see you can also scroll to play at a certain time. So it's a simple library which is going to allow you to do just that. So equally has some configurations that you can add. You also have some options, maybe pass the track list and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and post that. So it has some color schemas as well that you can integrate. And it's just kind of simple. It's a small library but which offers just a single feature. There isn't really much going into it. I would have liked it to be much more customizable. Maybe we get to change the sizes of this, but I guess maybe that can be done. I've never really used this, but I guess maybe it can be done. You just have to check it out. So I just noticed a search bar here where you can search the tracks. You see there are 3 tracks here, so you can go ahead and search, and I think they appear somewhere, not sure. So it's just a simple library, not much going in there. So definitely check it out. If that's something you might use, let me know in the comment section. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.